Whether you have a website or not, Instapage allows you to create conversion-focused landing pages to help you reach more leads, sell more products, or entice visitors to take more action. No coding or design skills needed because Instapage features really make it easy to create effective landing pages, no matter what you're trying to promote. Features such as heat map, analytics, and split testing tools allow you to use visitor data to improve the design of your landing pages and improve their performance. Marketing content for Instapage claims that there are over 200 templates to choose from, but there were only 80 when browsing the library. Some templates were also not complete landing page options, such as the thank you page templates, so don't let the 200 plus header shape over-influence your decision. However, as you can see from the landing page library, the templates you have access to have been designed to very high standards and cover a range of goals. You can preview all Instapage templates before deciding which one to use. Thanks to filters, you can quickly find the type of template you're looking for when you launch a new landing page. Landing page templates are categorized, making it easy to find the type you want. Since the templates cover product sales, registration forms, event registrations, and app downloads, you can get a good idea of who Instapage's target audience is. However, since one of the key advantages of Instapage is its landing page editor, you are certainly not limited to using templates in their default state, or even using a template at all. Whether you start with a blank canvas or one of the templates, Instapage Editor gives you the freedom to create a custom landing page. In fact, freedom is probably the key word when describing the Instapage landing page editor. You can start with a blank canvas or edit the template to create your landing page using the Instapage Page Builder. Unlike the most advanced WordPress page builders, Instapage Page Builder allows you to place elements anywhere on the page. Instead of adjusting to a grid or structure based on columns and rows, you can move elements on your page anywhere on the canvas, even on top of each other. You can stack items on top of each other if you like in the Instapage landing page editor. Unrestrictedness and complete creative freedom can be overwhelming. So to help combat this, Instapage displays useful markers and grids as you move elements around the page, giving you an easy way to align page elements if you want. You can place elements anywhere you want, but Instapage displays guides to help you position your content. One really nice thing about the page builder is that when you move an element, the distance between that element and another page is displayed, giving perfectionists an easy way to position their page elements. Also, when you move elements around the page in a drag and drop interface, they softly snap to the main grid layout. You can ignore this grid and other indicators, but it's a good idea to get some guidance when it comes to positioning page elements. While you are working in a page builder, you can preview your landing page at any time in the new browser tab by clicking the preview button. However, the page builder has a WYSIWYG interface, so you don't have to review your design often, as it should look exactly the same as it did in the editor after publishing. The elements that make up your pages can be easily customized using the Instapage Page Builder interface. When you select an item on the page, several settings for it are displayed along with an edit button. Clicking on an item in the page builder displays its customization controls. Clicking the edit button opens the element's properties in the sidebar, and from there you can make a number of changes beyond those available in the floating toolbar. If you have more precise specifications for your landing page design, you can add your own CSS to page elements to further control their appearance. You can also add your own JavaScript to add additional functionality to your landing pages. If you're looking to create multiple landing pages for yourself or your clients, Instapage has a great time-saving feature that you can appreciate. This feature is called Instablocks, and it allows you to create a library of reusable resources or blocks that you can insert into any of your landing pages. You can create your own blocks and save them for reuse on your landing pages. For example, you can create a custom testimonial block containing positive testimonials from your customers and then save it as an Instablock. Then, when you create a landing page that needs testimonials, you can quickly insert that Instablock into your page. Instapage has a variety of templates that you can use as a starting point for your reusable blocks. Other uses for Instablocks might include creating page headers, footers, calls to action, and whatever else you can create with Instapage that you might want want to use across multiple pages. In addition, Instapage comes with a varied selection of Instablock templates that you can use as starting points for your own assets. If you are wondering if it is possible to update Instablock in a library and then see how those changes are automatically applied to every instance of that block in your published pages, the answer is yes, it can be done. However, you will need to upgrade to the more expensive Instapage volume license to access the global blocks features. You can quickly insert a range of elements into your landing page design using Instapage widgets. To add it to your page, simply click on one of the widget icons in the sidebar menu of the Instapage editor and it will instantly appear on the canvas. If you click on a widget item in the sidebar menu, it will be added to your page and ready to be customized. From there, you can move it around the page and start editing its appearance and content. You can also define the action associated with the widget, such as setting what happens when someone clicks on a button. While there are several useful options, the choice of widgets is probably the weakest aspect of Instapage, especially when compared to WordPress page builders like Divi Builder and Elementor. With Instapage, you can create your own pricing tables or testimonial panels, for example, by combining text, image, and header widgets, but this is not as convenient as being able to add a ready-made custom widget to the page. To save your time, the page templates have some pre-built pricing tablets and other elements, but adding them to your pages is not as easy as accessing pre-made widgets that you can drag and drop to your pages. Fortunately, the Instablock feature mentioned earlier does give you the ability to create an item such as a pricing table or call to action and then save it to be reused on any page when needed. All landing pages created by Instapage are optimized for mobile by default. However, you can switch to the mobile view of the page you are working on in the editor and then make changes that only mobile users can see. You can switch to the mobile editor view and then hide blocks that mobile users shouldn't see. So if the idea of displaying slightly different versions of your landing pages depending on whether your visitors are using a smartphone or a desktop device seems appealing, Instapage does include this feature. However, you cannot create two completely different versions of it. Instead, you can simply hide the items you don't want to show to mobile users. Instapage's page builder is very impressive. The interface is not easy to use, but it also gives you a lot of freedom in positioning elements and also provides useful help if you want to accurately align page elements. The lack of ready-made elements or widgets is frustrating, but you can create most of the elements yourself and then save them for reuse. If you really want to publish an Instapage landing page on your WordPress website, it's very simple. After activating the free plugin on your site, you will need to connect your WordPress site to your Instapage account by entering some easily accessible details. After connecting your WordPress website and Instapage account, you can simply choose which landing page you want to publish on your site from the options available. Any landing page you create and publish to Instapage should be available from the drop-down menu in your WordPress dashboard. When you publish a page from Instapage to your WordPress website, you can choose whether it will appear as a landing page, 404 error page, or your site's home page. Apart from publishing landing pages to a website built with WordPress or Drupal, you can use a registered domain name to make your pages available on the internet. Instapage displays instructions for many of the most popular registrars to help you quickly connect your domain to your Instapage account. There is also a lot of documentation on the website that explains this process in more detail. There is no limit on the number of domains and subdomains you can connect to your Instapage account, which allows you to publish up to 30 landing pages in a business plan at any time, across multiple domains or in WordPress. You can also download landing pages and share them with other Instapage users who can upload them to their account for editing and posting. Your Instapage landing pages can be integrated with a wide variety of third-party solutions, including analytics tools, email marketing services, and webinar providers. If you want to promote products using Instapage, you can connect your landing pages to a Shopify or PayPal online store to collect payments online. You can also integrate Instapage with Zapier to link your landing pages to even more apps and services. If you want to link your landing pages to a specific service, it's worth checking the integration documentation to see if it's possible with Instapage. To help you get even more conversions from your visitors, Instapage also lets you run A/B tests on your landing pages. Using controls, you can create a copy of the landing page and then make changes to the new version of the page, such as changing the call to action. Instapage will then show your visitors different versions of your page to see which one works best. If you're still not sure about Instapage, you can try it for free for 14 days using the trial offer. You will need to enter your billing information to access the trial so that you will be automatically billed after its completion. But if you're not satisfied, it is easy to cancel. One option is the Instapage Business Plan, which costs $199 per month or the equivalent of $149 per month if you choose to pay annually. The annual billing requires an upfront payment of $178 but represents a 25% savings over the monthly billing. There is also a custom enterprise plan to suit your needs with a custom pricing that reflects your configuration. After speaking with the sales team, your customized enterprise plan will be customized according to your requirements.